Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day, and I'm here with the TREB stats for August. Those have just come out yesterday. Let's talk a little bit about what's been happening in the Toronto real estate market. So first thing I want to say is, in case you haven't heard, the Bank of Canada decided not to raise interest rates today, September 6th, which was a concern and definitely, I think, had been halting the real estate market over the last couple of months. People really wondering what was going to go on. So they are staying put where they are. So that's good news for all of us, and also very good news for the real estate market. As a result of that, we should see a lot of activity happening in September. September is always a good month anyway, but with this news, I think we're going to see some life back into the market because people have been, a little bit concerned. So the August stats, however, pretty strong, I would say. Let's talk about sales volume first. Sales volume is down over last year at this time by about 5%. So not a huge decline. We do have an increase over last month. So, things are still moving. One thing though is that we are up in listings from this time last year from about 16%. However, the good news is that sales prices remain pretty much unchanged. They have gone up a little bit, about 1% from last year. So despite the fact that we have more listings and more sales, we still have pretty good pricing happening, and prices have not fallen too much despite what a lot of people had been anticipating was going to happen. So let's talk a little bit about overall price. We had an overall price of $1,082,000 and change throughout the GTA, and as I always mention, that includes all types of product in all different areas in the GTA. In the city of Toronto, a detached home sold for $1.635, and in the 905, $1.362. Now, both of those prices pretty strong, although in the 416, we were down slightly from last year by about 0.8%, but up in the 905 of 3.8%. The big winners in the market were semi-detached homes, which went up 9.4% in Toronto and 5.4% in the rest of the GTA, making those prices $1.235 and just shy of $1 million respectively. Condos, though, down the most in the GTA. In Toronto in particular, 1.8% they went down, bringing the average condo price to $725,000. So if you're asking me where the best place to get a deal is right now, I would probably be looking toward downtown condos, because for the last couple of months, they have been a little slower in terms of pricing than the rest of the market. But mark my words, people, I think we are going to have a strong September and October, given the news today of the interest rates, and also as a result of the fact that regardless of what's going on with interest rates, people still are fully aware they need to buy and sell. And a lot of people I'm talking to are just waiting and waiting for the fall to happen. So let's see what happens going forward. Anyway, we're here if you have any questions. Our next season of our podcast, called the Toronto Real Estate Show with Jenelle and Leslie, drops tomorrow. And we are going to go over these stats in general and kind of our predictions for the fall market. And of course, if you have questions in the meantime, just feel free to reach out. I hope you have a great day and look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.